We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you'll appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Aterian stock pushing up higher with an explosive move, trying to hold support. And it wasn't the only stock within the volatility trying to go higher. The overall market did as well, but it lasted very short-lived, right? It pushed up, pulled back down, and our SPY bot today at 1:15 p.m. sent us out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options were up 2 to 3x within an hour, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to this resource as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and other bots are on the way. And you can now join the members using this resource to maximize within the volatility by receiving that edge and clarity in either direction. So here we have Aterian stock having an explosive move to the upside. You're definitely going to want to stick around for today's key levels going into tomorrow. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and both of them turned out to be a home run. The first one here, we caught it in the pre-market, consolidating, and it ran up nearly 10% plus towards the bell, had a pullback, had that full transition into strength, got that bull indicator, and went for a highest point of 25% plus, and that was CASA. And then we have here MDVL. We caught this one pulling downwards and consolidating towards the bell. Got a slight bear indicator that lasted about 2 minutes. Then it got that bull indicator, shifted into strength, and hit a highest point of 30% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Aterian stock pushing up higher and having an explosive move throughout the day after dipping from last week into today's lows, finding support and coming back upwards. We're going to talk about the key levels here. We're going to pull up the 4-hour chart and the 1-day. But before we do, I want to pull up the ultimate 42 vision bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot, and other bots are on the way to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities to the upside or to the downside. And you can now join the members using this resource as well to have that edge and clarity over the charts in either direction. So Aterian stock had a bear indicator pop up for the first time in last week's momentum, and I stated and compared it to the previous bear indicators that have been popping up since way back here on April 1st when momentum started to pick up, how short-lived they have been, and we wanted to watch how short-lived this one would be and if it was going to dominate over the chart or actually get canceled out pretty quickly by a bull indicator. And we talked about key support levels there as well, and we're going to break it all down in today's video. But let me pull up the 4-hour as well and the 1-day so we could see the bigger picture. So on the 4-hour, we've been under a bull indicator since $2.45, and every single time we've pulled back, I have stated these are setups for the next bull runs if no bear indicator pops up to cancel out this bull indicator, right? So strength has still been there all along because no bear indicators have popped up. Now, we were at the beginning of a setup for another bull run as this was transitioning compared to the last two pullbacks. It has actually went into light green with red borders and then dark green with red borders consecutively for a few bars. Well, things changed here pretty quickly and came back up really fast. We didn't even touch dark green with red borders, and this bull indicator has been holding true within this full momentum here since the beginning of April for the last 2 weeks and a half. Now, if we go over to the 1 day, things have been strong as well. We have not seen a single bar get a red border. Now, it's had its pauses where things have gotten smaller, and we do not want those bars to pop up. If not, we want them to continue to be larger and larger than the previous ones to continue that upward momentum as we've seen. And this bull indicator that popped up as well at the beginning of April has been holding strong since $2.44, and no bear indicator to cancel it out. So in the bigger picture, no bear indicators have popped up to cancel them out, and in the volatility, these bear indicators have been short-lived, and this one became another short-lived bear indicator. Now, the question is, how much longer could this bull indicator hold? And that's what we're going to break down here, the key levels in today's video. So the first thing is, this bear indicator would have had much more strength if it broke through the support levels of 512 and even down here of 478, 479, give or take, right? We talked about those key levels. We needed to watch them. And if it held support like it did, it would try to reverse. And we wanted a bull indicator to pop up, whether it was here, whether it was up here, or even right now where it's at right here. Well, we wanted a bull indicator to pop up to cancel out this bear indicator pretty quickly, and also within the volatility show that the bulls are having strength. Well, it did not pop up here or here, if not down here at $5.45. Very strong reversal there from that point up to $6.60. If you do the math from that bull indicator to today's high so far into the aftermarket hours, and even before that, a few minutes before the bell ending the day, it's gone up nearly 20% plus on the day from that bull indicator and from the dip area that it reached today. Now, this is where it becomes important because we want to see this stay above $6, but most importantly, break above the high here of $6.64-65, give or take, to hit newer highs, new resistance levels, and break out of this consolidation here where the bears are trying to dominate and find weakness to break through the supports and pull this one down even further. Now, it's bounced 2 times here from $5.10, 15 cents range, and that's important because it's formed a double bottom effect. Now, what it needs to do is maintain this momentum, break through resistance levels, and if it can accomplish that above $6.65, the next level before we actually talk about the history of the chart up here at $7.20 and $8.60, we want to see this break above $7, find support, and break out from it and reach newer highs, guys. This is going to be very important going into tomorrow and the next few days, but most importantly, tomorrow's price action will be key to watch. If it gets above 7.20, then we can talk about 7.70 and then towards $8 and then 8.60s range, which is a retracement based off the history of the chart way back here in November. So super important levels. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. This consolidation has been pretty strong, and what an explosive move today by the bulls reappearing and canceling out this bear indicator. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some